guess it's the issue that I'm still dealing with, which is actually remembering to take it. And I haven't figured out a solution to that one yet. In fact, this week I decided that maybe if I had some very pretty decorative pillbox, not the old person Sunday, Monday, Tuesday one, but the one I found had a little mustache on it and said "My Stash." I kind of likes that. I thought maybe I can entice myself into it with some pretty little pillbox.
Where did you find that?
I'll see how it goes. Internet. You can find anything on the internet. Dr. Google. Yeah, there are pretty ones. I've been doing the Google, and there are some with some very cringe or these snappy comments on the front. They have a definite target audience, which is not a 30-year-old female. But I found one with lovely Van Gogh almond blossoms on it. And the My Stash one, that had a good ring to it. But I guess you can't travel with them because then you've got a whole lot of unlabelled pills with you, and that could get you a cavity search at an airport, and that's undesirable. So I guess when I'm travelling I still have to go back to the old way.